Hey guys, it's day 35 of my 90 days and 90 videos YouTube upload challenge. Let's jump on the computer, see the stats, and I'll let you know how things have been going over the last 10 days. Hey everybody. Okay, so I'm at, I think, day 34 or 35 now of my 90 day, 90 video YouTube content challenge. I'm not gonna lie, it's been pretty tough and I'm struggling slightly to come up with content each day, but I have been doing it. I mean, there's been a few days I've been a little bit late, like a few hours over, so I'm not sure if it's run consecutively every single day, but it's pretty much running correctly. Anyhow, I want to just quickly do some short stats. I'm not going to go too in depth at this 35 day point, to be fair, but I want to just quickly show you where I'm at with my YouTube stats since starting this 35 days ago. So if we have a look here, you can see that I've now got 35 hours of watch time. Now last time I think it was roughly 23 hours watch time. Can't remember exactly, but you could go back to one of the previous videos and have a look at that. It's only 10 days ago or 20 days ago. And my 60-minute views are definitely going up. So when I started this 35 days ago, I was barely getting 1 or 2 views per hour, and now it seems like I'm always getting views. Not always a lot of views, but it seems to be up around the sort of anywhere between 5 and 10 views per hour. I did have one video that did quite well a few days ago, which got about 120 or 130 views to it, which really bumped it up a little bit. So that's really good. Next one, last 48 hours, you can see 311 views in the last 48 hours. Now, I'm not doing anything different. I'm just continually putting out content, and it's just accumulating. And people are obviously seeing videos all over the place, and my watch time is going up, which is amazing, fantastic. And the best thing, I'm now on, let's have a look, I have to move myself out the way. I'm on 106 subscribers. So I've passed that 100 barrier and we're moving forward. I'm hoping it'd be amazing if I could keep up 3 or 4 subscribers a day. If that was the case, I mean, that might be a bit optimistic, but if that was the case, it would take me to 1,000 subscribers by probably Christmas time, which would be amazing. I'm actually going to go into Social Blade. It's the first time I've been able to go into Social Blade because it's only just recognised me as a channel. So the first few months where I was very sporadic with my uploads and my view count and such, it just didn't pick my channel up, and now it has started picking the channel up. It does run a day late, I think, but here you can see that I created the channel on the 18th of February. I have 45 uploads. I think I've actually got 46 because this is a day behind. 105 subscribers, that says, but I know it's 106. Video views, 1,149. If we go down here and look by date, you can see how it's changing. So we've got here, this was the first day that it actually picked up my channel, so it's given a false reading. It's obviously clumped everything together there. I didn't get 737 views in one day. That was just all of my views, I guess, from the up until that day, and 84 subscribers. So you can see over the last week how things have been going. My subscribers went up 3 there, stayed the same, up 1, up 3, up 9 that day. That was when the good video, the one that did well, came out. Up 5 yesterday. And if you look at the video views, 21, -3. I'm not really sure why that is. I think it might be because I had a video uploaded but not live, if you know what I mean. I hadn't published it. And then up 21, and then 197 views this day. That was again from the video that did quite well. 28, 148. So there's a definite upward trend here, which you would expect, and it's amazing. But to be fair, I wasn't really expecting it to be quite so quick. I'm only 35 days into this challenge, so I'm really excited now to see what happens at 60 days and to see how the channel is growing. And bearing in mind, this challenge is to go until 90 days if I can keep uploading videos. But I do seem to have my mindset in the right place now, and reaching 100 subscribers and 1,000 views has kind of given me that little bit of a kick up the bum to keep going. I tell you what I do also like and find interesting. If you look down here, Social Blade gives you a see future projections. Now, I don't know how accurate this is, and I'd be surprised if it even is accurate, but does anybody out there can tell me if you've got high subscribers and views, if you ever looked at this and followed it, and how accurate it might be. But according to Social Blade, in a 10 months time, they're predicting that I should have almost 30,000 subscribers with 650,000 minutes watch time. I mean, that would be amazing within 10 months, but personally I don't see that happening. I'd love it to, but yeah, we'll wait and see. They're even saying, I mean, if you look at the 2-month prediction, 1,400 subs in 2 months, I just don't see that being possible. Even if I do upload every day and I'm gaining 5 subs every day, what's that? 7 5s are 35, so that's only 35 subs a week. Each month that would be 35, that would be 70, that would be 140 subs a month. 2 months, 280 subs, and they're saying 1,400 subs. I'm not really sure where they get their figures from, but I mean, it's a nice thought to think that you could be at these kind of numbers in a few months. But I'm going to be going off trying to hopefully getting 5 subscribers each day, and if I do that and my watch time keeps going, hopefully by Christmas, so another 6 months, I should reach, or hope to reach, that 1,000 threshold of subscribers and be getting close to the 240,000 minutes of watch time, which at that point you can get monetized, which would be amazing achievement to do in less than a year for myself anyway. And I think once I get to that point, then there's no reason to stop. That's the incentive to keep going, when each day you're going to see money coming in from making your videos. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. It's what, the day 35 I think I'm on, so I'll probably report back in maybe 10 or 15 days and see how it's going. If it's doing really well, I might report back quicker. If it's not doing so well, it might be a little bit longer. Anyway, you can help me out now by hitting that like button, commenting on this video, hit subscribe, and also the bell notification so you can keep up to date with how I'm doing with my challenge. Okay guys, cheers, bye.